Hello people, this is going to be the first video of the forum tutorial. In this series of videos, I'm going to teach you how to make a forum with PHP, MySQL, and HTML. First, I need you to create the index page, which is the home page for the forum. It's going to be index.php. Then have the basic components for the HTML. The homepage, I'm going to put the title as forum. The character sets I'm going to use in the page will be UTF-8, and the language will be English. Okay, for this video I'm going to make the login function and the signup function, which is the authentication part of the forum. So I'm gonna add a form for the user to log in. So I'm gonna have a form which is going to target a file called login.php, which will process the login part of for the forum. The method is going to post. Then after that, you will have the input for the username. The name is for the input is going to be username, and then the placeholder will be username, and then the password. The name is going to be password, and then the placeholder will be password. And then there's going to be the button to submit the form. The name is going to be login, and then the value is going to be login. Okay, now we're gonna create the table in the database, which will store the user's data, the login username and the login password. I'm going to create a new database called forum. Forum test. After in the forum, I'm going to create a table. Which is called users, which will have the ID for the user of type integer. It's not going to be null, therefore it will auto increment. And then the username varchar 100, not null, and then the password. The primary key will be the ID. Then now we're going to create the login function. basically the index page will send the username and the password to this page by the method of post from the index page to the login page. Therefore, to receive the data sent from the index page, we're going to collect them from post, because it's sent by post method. So the username post username. This part is going to be the name for the input, which is username over here. That fed the password, and then the name of the input for password. Then you can maybe echo out at the page to see if it works. And then you try to log in. Oh wait, forgot to add the equal sign. So you see the inputs have been passed to this page. Okay, right now we don't have any username and password in the database, so we're gonna make a register function that will allow user to register, which is register.php. Gonna copy the contents from the index page to here. Therefore, I'm gonna change the action. Is going to this form is going to be sent to register parse.php, which will process the input data and then store it in the database. Parse. The inputs will be the same. The user will only have to give the username and password. Therefore, I'm going to create the register parse. Which will get the inputs from the register page the same as index page to login page. Go to the register page. Therefore, let's say I'm going to register. Oh wait, I forgot to change the value. This one should be register. Okay, so we're going to register test. So it's receiving the correct inputs. Then now I'm going to store it into the database.